Hi guys, I'm Sarah Minnick from Lovely's 50/50 in Portland, Oregon. The first pizza I'm going to make is a pizza that we have at Lovely's right now. It's a really great winter pizza. I use all farmers' produce, all Oregon farmers' produce at Lovely's. And so I brought the squash. I'll put all the ingredients in a bowl, toss them all together with a little salt and olive oil and a little Reggiano. So this way I know that everything I have is seasoned, it's mixed together, it's harmonious. Every single pizza that I make will have this little layer of aged mozzarella. Yeah, I really think of pizza as more of a whole meal. I love to put tons and tons of vegetables on pizzas, and I like to use a good amount of cheese. That's the pizza that I like to make and eat. First initial time I turn the oven on and use it, I just put it to the wood-fired setting. And that's perfect for me. This is really close to the temperature that I use at Lovely's. When you load, the deck comes down and out, so you're not messing around pulling out something hot, trying to load something in this narrow space. It's like something that you would get out of my regular oven. So that really is the beauty of this oven, is I really feel like I make the same pizza that I make at Lovely's in it, no matter where I am, which is really cool. Okay, so this is a pizza that has the Rosalba chicories, which are an Italian chicories that are pink. They're really cute. I used a little bit of La Quercia pancetta, some Yukon Gold potatoes. I've been in New York for the past couple of days, doing some demos for different media outlets. And today I got to do a demo in Pauly G's kitchen. He graciously let me use his kitchen for a few hours. And so it was definitely a treat to be in New York and have Pauly welcome me into his space and let me use some of his ingredients and his beautiful restaurant to do a demo. And the camaraderie and the pizza love was there. So I'm happy.